Hi everyone, it's Rivka, and today we're just going to jump into this plan with me. It's for the week of April 2nd to April 8th, and I'm just starting off as usual with covering up the bits of color and the words at the bottom with regular sticker label tape. I do want to apologize for the framing. I was trying a new recording setup, and apparently it didn't work as well as I liked. I got decent picture, but the frame, it's like way too in, so I'm gonna have to like zoom out or something. Anywho, that's why a lot of it's gonna be cut off, and I do apologize ahead of time. I think I only recorded one other video like this, but I'm not totally sure yet, so I'll have to see. And I'm gonna try to fix that for any future recordings. So yeah, I'm just covering it up, and this is just like the edges of either stickers I had printed or regular sticker paper that I just cut out the edges off of. I mean, why waste it? It's there, right? And clearly I use it every week. So now I'm just going to cut off the little edges, and then I'm going to move on to washi. And the washi, I'm only going to be using two, and it's, I'm going to say pink washi with lemons on it, hence the pink lemonade theme. And that main one that I'm picking up right now, it's from the one that actually has the lemons on it, is from Recollections, I believe. It's definitely from Michael's. It came in a 2-pack, and it had this one and like a green one with lemons on it, and I think it's like fresh something. Anywho, this is the one that I decided to use this week, and I did speed this up even more because I'm just laying out washi, and we see this all the time, and I didn't want you guys to sit here forever because it's not like I was doing anything special with the washi this week. It was, I'm going to say, basic layout, so I figured I would speed it up just a little bit more. And there's my trusty 6-inch metal ruler. I love that thing. I'm using it now for a different project, and I just love it. It's probably my favorite. So now, as usual, I was trying to figure out what I was putting where and the different sizing, and I just decided to make this lemon one pretty much the border around all of it. And so that's what I'm going to do here, and then I'm going to cut that off and use the rest of it right there. But I was trying to lay it down and make it straight before I cut it so that I'd only have to cut like once, but I realized I was going to have to cut twice anyway because of the size of it, and this way was much easier for me to get it straight and even, so that's what I did. The other thing I wanted to mention is the page that I'm on right now, the Thursday through Sunday page. You can kind of see that it's wrinkled, and that's because my tea decided to spill on this page. And I was very glad that it was a light colored tea, because that just means that nobody, it didn't stain the paper very much. It just wrinkled it, and in part of it, I'm going to say, scrapped up some of the paper. Thankfully, it's thicker paper, so it didn't totally rip through it, but it ripped off some of it. So it's not the greatest looking thing, but once the decorations are down, you don't see it as much. And then I'm sure as soon as I fill out the week more, I'll cover it up. You can see it really well right here. It even took off some of the line right there. So I'm just using this pink and clear one, and this is actually Happy Planner washi. It came in one of those sets, and it was weird because I didn't think this washi really went with the rest of the set. I mean, it was fine as like an accent, but it didn't go with it, so I haven't really ever used it until now. And then I figured to stick with the pink theme, I just pulled a Happy Planner sticker to cover the notes section, like the header over in that corner. As usual, it's totally out of frame, unfortunately, but I was able, you'll see it like in the other parts of this video. So now I'm trying to pick out a weekend sticker, and I thought that pink would go well, but it was just slightly off of the light pink that's on the washi, so I didn't want to do that, and I just picked a contrasting color. I figured this green would pull out the leaves in the washi, so it was perfect. And actually, because of this, I was able to use a different, I'm going to say sticker washi a little later on, and it plays really well. So I have these yellow letter and number stickers, and because I liked them, and I was going to cover the April because it was just easier relabeling this page April with the letters, and then I'm going to use the same stickers for the numbers. And this, the stickers are from, I think I got it on Amazon. I could have gotten it somewhere else, but basically it was this 12 by 12 sheet. It came like scrapbook paper, only it was stickers, and they're a little bit thicker. They're more along the cardstocky kind of stickers, and I just cut down the different parts of the 12 by 12 page into much smaller parts so that they'd fit in my sticker collection better. And part of it was this, and then there's the same, I'm going to say, kind of square of letters that was like a aqua, and there's black ones, and then there was some just deco stickers on it. I don't remember the name of it or anything like that, otherwise I would give you that. But it's great to say play, like look on Amazon and on eBay, you find some real treasures sometimes. So I just did that. And now on to, I believe, headers. And for these stickers that you see, I obviously cut down the regular sheets and stuck them back together. I'm going to actually do a video on this, hopefully in the very near future, of basically how I've been rearranging my sticker collection and the sticker book that I'm making to keep them all corralled in one place and easy to flip through and like that. Anyway, these stickers they were called washi stickers. They're a very different kind of feel to them, even though they don't feel like washi to me, but that's what they were called, and they are very transparent, I think, yeah. Yeah, transparent's the word that I was looking for. So you can definitely see the black line at the top, but I just lined it up with the top of that black line. And these ones came from Target. They were actually on clearance, so they were really cheap, and I've gotten a package or two of them. And I'm using the yellow down the middle, and then there are pink ones that I'm going to be using both at the bottom for matte section, and then at the top for me, for like my section. In case you haven't watched my videos before, this is my family planner, and it's where I put down what everybody in the family is doing. We each have like a spot. I'm at the top, then goes my stepson Tyler's, and then at the bottom is my fiance, and I put down his work. That way we know where everybody is and stuff like that. Nobody else really looks at it, but they do kind of depend on me to tell them what's what. So I keep track of everything to the best of my ability. And yeah, I do have another planner that's more of my personal to-do planner, and I don't usually show that on YouTube. I'm thinking about it, but right now I'm still trying to get in the swing of posting a video every week and maybe two, and yeah, if it works out, eventually I will be showing you guys that one as well. If you guys want to see that one like once in a while, even if I don't make it a standard every single week thing, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely throw one in so that you guys can see what that one's like as well. And I'm just laying out all these stickers. These ones, it was a little tedious, but I really liked the look of it, and I've had these in my collection for a little while, so I wanted to use them, and the spread definitely called for these colors. I would have probably used more yellow than the pink ones, but I had more pink ones than the yellow ones. For some reason, the packages came with like double pink than they did with the yellow or the blue. I didn't use the blue in this spread, but I've used it in other ones. I believe either last week or the week before or something like that. I had used them and I really liked them, which is why I decided to use them for this again. And now I'm just putting down these header stickers, and since this middle section is for my stepson, I did put I had made banners with his name and hockey sticks on either side because that's very much him to represent his section. And then this bottom one that you see now is my fiance, and that's his company's logo, so I thought that was appropriate to mark down that that was his section. And unfortunately, my printer wasn't printing for a couple days, and I wasn't able to print more of these, even though I clearly need it. So the printer is printing now, and I will be putting these, printing these stickers, cutting them out, and putting them down on this planner later on, but I didn't want you guys to have to wait for the video since I didn't know when I would have my printer working again. Alright, so now I'm putting down these stickers for me. They're kind of small, so I don't usually use them, but since I'm putting them on top of that pink banner thing, it kind of makes it pop more, so I liked it, and I just picked out the ones that the colors went well, either if it said to do or plans or I don't remember what other word I used. But these ones, they were from Recollections, the wallet stickers. I got 2 packs of that. I love the little wallety thing, but these stickers, honestly, they're cute, but they don't stick well. I've had several of them come up on me, and I mean, when that happens, I just put a little glue underneath. It's a little annoying, but it's totally workable. Anyway, so now those are down, and I had just put down which ones I wanted for each day, and now I'm marking off that my stepson is on spring break from April 2nd to April 6th, which that's why that little llama post-it's there to remind me. And I was trying to measure this, and I'm like, okay, so I'll have it kind of go off of Monday and kind of on Friday, and then I can use this. I had totally forgotten that obviously the middle section between the 2 pages, I didn't need it for. So I ended up with more washi than I had anticipated. As you see here, clearly I'm like, wait, that went way farther than I had thought. So I just ended up cutting that off and putting it back onto Monday. And thankfully, since it's a repeat pattern, you can't really see it very well. And once you write on it, it's barely noticeable because you're looking at everything else. But that's the green that I was talking about that kind of really went back into itself really well with the weekend sticker. So I'm just using a regular Sharpie to mark down that that's the spring break, and then I'm going to put a little school sticker down on that later, but I wanted to mark down that I have an appointment on Wednesday morning, and I didn't pick this appointment date or time, and it's at like 8:30 in the morning. I'm not really great with getting up that early in the morning, especially considering how far away it is, so that one's going to be a bit of a trick, but gotta do what you gotta do. So I marked it down so that I could remember that, and the pink went well with the spread. It was just a random sticker I had in my collection. So as I said, I put down a school sticker to mark that it was school spring break, and then a few, I'm going to say to-do stickers, these icon stickers that I print. All of those I print myself. I just either clip art or from the web, or even some that I've drawn. I've printed some of those before. So I just put down the ones I knew, and that's it. And that's what this planner spread is for now. I will fill it out throughout the week. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time. And yeah, hopefully it won't be waterlogged. All right, have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.